I'm going to show how upload the PPT, PDF or video in Moodle course. First, turn editing on. After that, go to Embedded System OS or available courses. Click Turn Editing Settings. After that, click Add an Activity. This page can be viewed here. You choose File. This page will be appear. Enter any course name. For example, I type wireless sensor area. Save and click Save and Display button. This page will be appear. Here you can drag and drop files. Choose Upload File. Here you can attach your document. For example, I attach Lecture 1 document. Click the upload. Yes, your file will be uploaded. After that, click Save and Display. Yes, exactly. Your file can be uploaded.